Hello everyone. So today we are solving another USET 2021 question. So this is question number 21 MSQ type. So let's start first with reading the question. Let's read the question. The question says which four pieces of a jigsaw puzzle can be combined to form a square. So these are the four pieces that are given 1, 2, 3 and 4, and these are the four options in which they can be combined. There might be other options as well, but over here we need to consider only these four options. So how do we combine a jigsaw puzzle? So the very basic way to understand it is that there is suppose there is a figure like this where there are missing pieces, and one piece over here, it can be aligned according to the lines itself, and it should be like this, something like this, and then this piece can go on to be something like this, and then they can be this. So this is basically a sample jigsaw puzzle that I have drawn. So there are different pieces of different shapes, maybe regular shapes, maybe irregular shapes, but when they are joined together they will form some meaningful puzzle, a meaningful figure. So over here also they have told that these are the four pieces, and when they are joined together in any of these four forms, they can form a square over here. So the best way to solve this question is to consider the compressions over here in the figure, and these are the outer circles. So let's call this as inner circle, and let's call this as outer circle. So one thing you need to consider in this question is that the number of outer circles and the inner circles and the outer circles should be equal in any of these sequences. So this is the best, simplest way to solve this question, first checking for that and then going by the elimination strategy. So what do I mean this? So if we have one figure like this, let's consider we have figure number 1 over here, and we have a inner circle over here. So definitely there should be one outer circle over here which should be joining in this, right, to form a proper alignment, right? So over here, if this is 1, this is the first inner circle, so then one outer circle should also come over here in order to form a regular shape, right? So let's start with considering each of the options over here. So for option A, for option first, I'll write inner over here, inner circles, and over here let's write outer circles. So if these are equal, then definitely we can go ahead and consider the figure over here. Okay, so option A. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in this sequence. Let's start counting the inner circles first and the outer circles. So one has 2 inner circles, second one has one more inner circle, so 3. So basically 2 plus 1 plus another one 2, and over here there is 0. And for outer circle, so 0 over here, 1 over here, and 0 over here, and 2 over here. 0, 1 plus 0 and 2. So this is basically 5, and this is 3. So these are not equal, so definitely we can say we can eliminate option A. For option B, we'll consider similarly. So 2 inner circles over here, 1 inner circle over here, and 0 on fourth one. So 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, right? So this is 3. And for this one, outer circle, let's consider outer circle. So 0, 1 and 2 and 2. 0, 1, 2 and 2. So this is 5. Again, this is not equal, so we can eliminate option number B. For option C, we have only 4 2's, so one in each. So definitely for option C, we can say 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 4 inner circles, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 4 outer circles. So this is equal. So yeah, we can say that this option may be correct. Okay. And for option D, it says 2, 2, 3, 4. So 2 has 1 inner circles and 1 outer circle, so 2 times. So let's do that. 1 inner circles, 1 outer circles. 3 has 0 outer circles, but it has 2 inner circles. So 2 inner circles over here, and 4 has 0 inner circles. So this is 4. and similarly for the outer circles, so 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2, so this is 4. So definitely option D can also be true. So over here, if it was given that we need to consider it in a sequential manner or something like that, then we would have gone ahead and made a combination, check whether the combination is correct or not. But since they have not given over here, so we can directly say that option C and D are correct. So this is what the answer says. Option C and D is also correct in the answer. So that's all for the question, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Any questions you might comment in the comment section.